Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see class 9 NCERT chapter number 2 polynomial exercise 2.4 Roman number 4 factorize. First one 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So before going this I will introduce about the I factor because this is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation we have to factorize by using I factor only. Now the I factors I will show. Totally the I factors we have 4 types. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and last one 4, like that. Just I'm dividing all the types. So here we will write a product value, here sum value, product sum, right? For everything I was written. Now here highest number 1 we will write, another one lowest number. Sometime we will get equal. If you get equal now we can able to use that formula a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Okay, right? Now highest number lowest number I was written. Now see, suppose the product value we have a positive, suppose positive, and here positive in the sense this is one type, and both are negative, another one type. Product value negative, sum value also negative. Suppose product value positive, sum value negative, product value negative, sum value positive. These 4 types only we have. Apart from this nothing is there. Then how you will simplify this? By using that. Okay, now see, both are positive now. Highest number also positive, lowest number also positive we have to give. Understand? So both are negative in the sense here highest number we need to give negative, lowest number positive. Now see, minus into plus you will get minus when you product. When you add we will give highest number symbol only we will give here. Understand? Like here both, product value is positive, sum value negative now. Both you need to give minus. Then only minus into minus plus addition value will give the same symbol. Understand? Now here sum value is positive, product value is negative now. Just I'm giving highest value is positive because highest value only we will give when we add. But we need negative now, so that I'm giving. See, plus into minus, minus, adding value positive symbol we will give. That's it. So this 4 types only I'm going to use here. If you know this very well now, the sums is very easy. Now we'll go for this I factor I'm doing. So I factor in the sense we have to product. What are the value we have to product now? Coefficient of x square value and constants. This together you have to product. 12 ones are 12. We are getting coefficient of x value is the sum value. Coefficient of x is the sum value. Now we need to write 2 number here. One is what is the highest number, smallest number. Then if you multiply this together you will get 12. When you add you have to get minus 7. Like that one number we have to select. So that I'm going to give 4 3s are 12. Here positive, here minus now. You should give what is that? Both are negative. That is I set already. Okay. So plus into plus, sorry, minus into minus, plus. When you add, you will give the same symbol. That's it. But before writing this, we have to do one thing. What is that now? Coefficient of x square more than 1 in the sense we have to divide what we have here. More than 1 in the sense we have to divide. That is very important. Now coefficient of x square is 12, so that I am dividing by 12. I am dividing by 12. It is not a rough work, it is fair only, so listen carefully. Okay, now we have to cancel this. That's it. So 1 4s are 3 4s are 1 3s are 4 3s are. This is one shortcut actually. By using this we can able to complete the answer in simple manner. Okay, now I will show that answer. Now see, so what we have here, that is we need to write x and this symbol you can write x minus what is that, 1 by 3. Okay, but in the denominator whatever we have, that value you should write before the x. That is very important. So 3x minus 1 into, so what in denominator we have here 4, so 4x minus 1. That's it. Within single step we can able to give the answer. Okay, so without divide, if you need to move now, I'll give the aliter method. Now see, first what we have here, 12x square we need to write, and without divide, then what we have here, 4x minus 4x and minus 3x. So which we are splitting, this minus 7 only we are splitting like this. Then you will get the plus 1 as well as. That's it. Why I wrote in a different color now, for you understand. Minus 7x only we are writing like this. Now what is the common value? Please take outside. Here the common value I am taking 4x I am taking. Then what we have here now, after take 4x here, 3 x. Here nothing is there, so I'm giving 1. So here nothing to take commonly outside, but I'm taking minus. Why I'm taking minus? Here we have plus 3x, but here minus, so that minus I'm taking. After take minus outside, the minus you will get in positive, positive will get in negative. That's it. Now in both case we have 3x minus 1 is common. So 3x minus 1 I'm taking outside. Then balance here 4x. Here nothing is there now. Your hard answer is a 1. So minus 1. That's it. We are getting the same answer for this also. Okay. This is by using I factor. This is by using middle term splitting method. This is called middle term splitting method. Understand? So I hope you will understand this both method. So it is very easy compared to a middle term splitting method. The I factor is very easy. So better try to learn this I factor. Understand? Thank you. Now the second subdivision, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So we will start to do this by I factor. So I will teach both method. Just listen. First by I factor na 2 into 3 we have, what is that, 6 we are getting. Then sum value is 7. Sum in the sense that is coefficient of x value is the sum value. Product value, coefficient of x square and constant together we need to multiply. That's it. Now what value, if you, what is that you will give? You will get product 6 and multiple 7 na. 1 6 are I'm giving. So product value, see 1 6 are 6, then addition value we are getting 7. Like that you should select that values. 1 6 are 6 7, 6 ones are, both are you can give, no problem. But here the coefficient of x square is more than 1, means 2 yeah? The 2 you have to divide. So by 2 by 2. Now this you can cancel 1 time 3 time. That's it. Now we'll go for the answer. So see this my dear. Here first x I'm writing. But in denominator we have 2, so that 2 you have to give in the before x, means coefficient of x you have to give. This is plus 1, so 2x plus 1 I'm giving. And this is the denominator we have 1x, then 1 into x, x only, plus 3. So that's it, our answer is over. This is factorize. Okay, so the another method means the middle term splitting method. I will show another method. Now first write the 2x square what we have in the question. Next the middle term. Without divide we have to go. This is x, means 1x. That is meaning plus 6 is there. Without divide we are just the 7x only. I am writing like this. 1x plus 6x which is equal to 7x. That is I am writing like this. And the constant will come as well as what we have here. Constant is a 3. That's it. So what is the common value in both case? Please take outside. That's it. Now from this 2x square 1x na, just x I am taking commonly outside. The remaining here we have 2x. Here plus 1 only we have. And in this case I am taking 3 commonly outside. Then remaining we have here 2x plus 1. That's it. Now see in both case 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is common. So that I am taking 2x plus 1 commonly outside. After that here we have x only, so x I am writing. In this case we have plus 3. That's it. Now see 2x plus 1 into x plus 3. The same thing we got it. This is a middle term splitting method. This is I factor method. So anyone you can learn in proper manner. Understand? Thank you. Now the third question, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. That is our question. So we have to factorize this. Now we'll go for the answer. First we'll go for I factor. So here 6 is their coefficient of x square, constant minus 6. 6 into minus 6 we are getting minus 36. That's it. And coefficient of x value we have here 5. So I am giving here 5 plus 5. So product value we need to get minus 36. Sum value we need plus 5. So I am giving 9 4s are 36. Addition value we need in positive. So I am giving then negative for lowest symbol. That's it, for lowest number. Now we have to divide by the coefficient of x square. Because the coefficient of x square we have more than 1. So more than 1 na, we have to take that and divide here. By 6 and by 6. Now just cancel this, we will get the answer. I am cancelling by third table here. So 3 3s are here, 2 3s are. This is by 2 table. So 2 2s are, 3 2s are. That's it. Now we will go for answer. So I am writing here. So what we have in denominator, that will come for coefficient of x. So 2x. You will get it 2x and plus the numerator number 3 into here the denominator value 3, so 3x, and numerator we have minus 2, so minus 2. That's it, our answer is over. Next we will go for another method, means middle term splitting method. Now just start to write the x6x square and what is that, plus the middle term alone I'm going to split. Means middle term we have 5x, without a divide what we have 9 and minus 4. So plus 9x minus 4x. So 9 minus 4 now you will get plus 5, the same thing, understand? And the constant we have here minus 6, this constant I'm writing. Now from this two number, what is the common value? Now I'm taking 3x commonly outside. Then balance here we have 2x plus, so x I took all outside 3, then 3 we are getting. From here I'm taking minus 2 commonly outside. That's it. Then the balance we have here 2x and here plus 3 because I took minus outside, so plus 3. Understand? Now in both case we have 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 commonly. So that is I am taking. Then the remainder here we have 3x and here minus 2. That's it. We are getting this answer. Same thing only I was given there also. I hope you will understand both what is the I factor method and middle term splitting method. Now we'll go for next one. Fourth one, 3x square minus x minus 4. We'll go for answer. First we'll go for I factor. So I factor now we need a product value. Coefficient of x square value 3, constant minus 4. This together you can multiply. 3 into minus 4 minus 12 we are getting. Coefficient of x value nothing now, you have to consider there 1, then minus 1 I am giving here. Then what is the factors I am giving now? 4 3s are 12. Both are negative, so highest number I am giving negative, lowest positive. Understand? Now see, the coefficient of x square value is more than 1. So 3 we have. By 3 just I am doing for both factor. Here not possible to cancel, but here it's possible to cancel. 1 I am getting. Now we'll go for answer, Raja. See, the denominator we have 3, so that 3x plus, minus 4. Sorry, here minus 4 into, this is 1, so that x plus 1. That's it, our required answer by I factor. Now we'll go for a middle term splitting method, means another method I'm giving. Now I'm giving middle term splitting method. For that you have to write the first term as well as, means that 3x square what we have, the same thing you can write here, don't change anything. The middle term alone means this minus x is there, na? That minus x I'm write like this. Without a divide what we have, minus 4 plus 3. So minus 4x plus 3x, x I'm multiplying. So minus 4x plus 3x now you will get minus x, that's it. And the constant just write wise, constant we have minus 4. Then what is the common value, take outside, you will get it. From this the common value x only, then remaining we have 3x minus 4. And here nothing to take, so 1, just 1 I'm taking like that. So 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 we have. So that 3x minus 4 into that x plus 1. That's it, we are getting this answer. This only I was given here. I hope you'll understand this. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.